In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation as well as put a presentation on your website so that those who are visiting your website can see a presentation or how to or something like that you want to put it all in one place for them to view. Where I'm at is in the back office of Builderall, and I have my applications here. And one application, as we mentioned, is the Presentation Studio, similar to Google Slides, but this is really neat because Builderall is an all-in-one platform. When you create a website, when you create a presentation, you can put it right on your website. You don't have to go anywhere else. That's what I love about this platform. So let's just show you how to create a presentation. Of course, I'm not going to build this thing out and fancy it up. I'm just going to give you the idea live time here, how easy and how simple it is and the tools that they offer. We're going to go here now to new presentation. So here is your presentation tool. If you've ever been on Google Slides, it's very similar to Google Slides. Here is your templates here, very blank, very plain. You can add your templates here, how many you want to have in your presentation. And when we go up to the top, let's say this is our first one, we want to add some text here. So basically you just double click on it, the box comes up, you can change the font on it. Make sure this is highlighted first, and then you can change that font. Also, here's the color. You can change the color of the text as well. It's very simple. I think you guys get it. So we go to the next box. Another feature here is an image. So you can add an image. You browse your, browse your images here and the files you have saved on your computer. So let's just scroll down here and see if we can just pick any image here. Now this is a PNG as well. Let's see. Enter maybe appear to be incorrect. Let's see if it worked. Well, it did work. So it was a PNG. I think maybe that had something to do with it. But JPEGs, PNGs can go in there and you can insert that image. Here, if you slide it up, you notice that it's too big. To make it smaller, you have to scroll the picture over, and what you'll see is a little arrow here. You can shrink that image down to wherever you would like it. Boom, and that image is right there for you. Again, you can add a video as well to your presentation, just to want to show you how easy it is to create or add a video to the presentation. So let's just go here and copy this YouTube link. Got it copied. Let's see, let's go back to presentations. Let's see. Find out where I'm at. Oh, I'm at this one here, okay. Paste that in there and insert the video, and what will happen is that won't load up until we go and add it to the website. Then it will play through. So that just gives you an idea. You know, you can do other things like background color. You can change, see how it highlights white, highlights the lighter gray. You can change the background color, really jazz it up, you know, make it your own and get it to where you'd like it. So that just gives you an idea. So once you're done with your presentation, you want to go over here and save it. You want to title that presentation. We'll just create a test. And this password is because if those who are visiting your website want access, and if you don't want to allow access to everyone, you give certain visitors a password so they can see this presentation. Maybe it's proprietary to your business or whatever the case. You can give them a password and they can view this presentation. But for this video, we're not going to do that. We're just going to save it as it is. Now that our presentation is saved, let's go back to our back office. You notice this is where we started out and created that new presentation. What we have to do now is reload this page, and it should show up here at the bottom, the test presentation we just created. Hopefully, let's see, doing it in live time. All right, there it is. So that's our presentation. You see the status is active. Here's an open link to it. So let's go ahead and click open link to our presentation. And of course, this is very generic presentation, right? You know, nothing fancy, but let's go up here and copy this link to this presentation because that's going to be important to putting this presentation on our website. All right, so now let's go back here, and this is our back office here. So we're going to go and just create a simple website to show you how to place this presentation on your website. Again, this is very simple. We're here. We're going to create a new website. As it loads up here, we're just going to do a blank page. See, just blank page, because let's say we're going to build this website out from scratch. Here's a blank page, edit it. And of course, I'm just streamlining this presentation to give you an idea how to do the presentation or put it on your website. You, of course, remember you have to, really dress it up to where you want it. You click this plus button over here when you're in Builderall, and you want to go to apps, and you want to add HTML. See that? Add this HTML box. Okay. And of course, you can make it bigger, however you want. You can move it around. So once you double click on that, you'll see here at the top, it says type HTML, or, this is important, link. And remember, we copied that link from our presentation, and on a Mac, so it's Command V. We want to paste that link in there and confirm. Look at that. There is our presentation. And so we could preview it. So we preview that presentation. Of course, it will be able to slide through and present whatever information you put on it and whatever you installed. So that's how you add a presentation to your website. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.